এই ছবিটাতে যদি কালোগুলো, this black things are, this is the central atom, okay? So the black are what? Let's say it is yellow is M and the black ones are A. So there are four A's and the white ones are your B. So this is what? MA4B2. What is the angle between these two? 180. So this is
180.
showing trans geometrical isomerism. However, I'm just showing it to you. However, if I make the angle between these two like that, 90, that is cis geometrical isomerism,
Okay.
right? That's clear?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, great. As we are doing this, okay, cis and trans is almost done, right? I'm going to show you another thing, which is called facial and meridional isomerism. It's also called Fachmer isomerism. Remember that every octahedron has eight faces of triangle. You see, these three, they are lying on the same face, and these black ones, they are also lying on the same face. How do you understand? See, right?
Yes.
This one also.
Hmm.
So this is a facial isomer, and this will be possible for what? When the type of the complex is Ma3B3. The ligands could be monodentate or it could be bidentate.
Biden.
Okay, we have seen questions like this being asked in IIT or any other competitive exam. Okay, now what would be this is a facial, right? Three ligands, same ligands are lying on the face of a triangle, triangular face of the octahedron, right?
Hmm.
Here also that way, right? Now, what you do to draw the meridional, take this one and switch the position so that this one and that one they are now on 180. So this is the same complex but a different representation in space.
Yes.
Yes.
This is also, yeah, right. Okay. So now you could see this is forming a triangle, right?
Hmm.
And that is forming a triangle that way. But it is not on the face of the octahedron, right?
Yes.
You agree? Yeah. So this is your meridional isomerism. Examples is COCl3 within brackets NH3 whole thrice, right? What would be a charge if I say cobalt is plus 3? This is a neutral complex. That's an example. COCl3, NH3 whole thrice, and there is no charge because the charge of the metal is balanced by the charge of the chloride present within the secondary sphere, right? Chloride is three. There are three chlorides, so minus one for each, and the plus three charge of the cobalt is balanced by that. So it is a neutral complex. Okay, agreed?
Hmm.
Is that okay? Okay. Another example is again, if it is cobalt, right? Look at the periodic table. You'll find ruthenium. So ruthenium within the coordination complex, ruthenium is plus three. Uh, you write ruthenium, water whole thrice, and NH3 whole thrice. Now, water and that is aqua and ammonia both are neutral ligands. So the charge outside the complex will be plus 3, right? So these are typical examples of complexes that will be showing geometrical isomerism, which are called FAC, MER. These are all in lowercase FAC dash MER. FAC means facial and MER means meridional. Agreed? Hmm? That's good.
Hmm.
Okay. Now let's get a little naughty. I'm getting a little naughty. What type of questions from this? This is a straightforward question for, you know, let's say J mains. But in advance, for all these years, this is what? Huh. This is Ma3B2C. Googly. So this one that you see where these three are on one face, this is a facial isomer. Okay.
Yes.
Now how many meridional? To this atom you could have what? The red
Hmm.
or what else? Think, 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 think. This is fact. What is mer? This is fact. What is mer? I open this one. Now, could you say that there is the black ones are on the same face? No. So this is meridional.
Yes.
We agree to that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, opposite to the white, we have a red. Could you think of another arrangement? Opposite to the white, what could we have?
We could have another white and red green.
Yes, thank you. So one facial and how many meridional?
Two.
Thank you. I'll do more critical cases of this.